Hello and welcome to Coloring History. And today we are going to draw the first Hispanic person to serve on the Supreme Court, Sonia Sotomayor. So let's get started. First, we are going to make a large U like this. Next, we are going to continue with the U on this side and make a curved line like this. Next, we are going to make wavy lines from here to here. Next, we are going to make wavy lines, large wavy lines from here going outside of her face like this. Stop about right here. Then we are going to go out and then make a curved line coming into her face. Okay, let's do the other side by starting right here and making wavy lines on the outside of her face. Stop about right here. Then we are going to go out and then come back into her face by making a curved line. So now let's do the inside of her face by making two circles, two large circles for the eyes. Then we are going to make the iris and color inside the iris. Next, let's give her an eyebrow above each line by making a curved line above each eye. Let's give her a nose by making a curved line. And let's give her a happy face. All right, so we are done with the face. The next step is to make her gown. A gown is what the judges wear. It's their attire. So we are going to start underneath their face and go out like this to the bottom of the page. Then we are going to do the other side. Now let's make the band collar that goes around their neck by making wavy lines. So let's make the band collar like this. Then let's make a circle in the center of Sonia's band collar. So we are done with the judge's attire. So the next thing to do is we are going to make the gavel. The gavel is like a hammer that is a symbol of authority and control in the courtroom. So we're going to start off by making a large rectangle like this. Then we are going to add another rectangle to this large rectangle by making a thin rectangle like this. And then making a horizontal line and then connecting this line to here. So we have the gavel. Now we are pretty much done. So the next step is to draw. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.